Alright, welcome back to part 2 of my AVENTADOR wide body series. If you haven't already, check out part 1. I'll put a card up here if you would like to catch up. But today we are picking back up where we left off. And today I'm mostly working on the engine cover design and starting to bring in a few more design elements such as the taillights and whatnot. In this video, you'll notice some of my airbrushing techniques. I'm utilizing some aspects of some actual photography and blending in airbrushing techniques with those. So you'll notice that a few of the parts that I'm dropping in are weaved carbon fiber, but I wanted to change those out to forged carbon fiber. All the carbon fiber within this design is going to be forged. So to give me the freedom of making everything forged, I decided to airbrush the entire thing from scratch, just utilizing a few different pieces from a Centenario that I put together and kind of repurposing them for the engine cover. So like always, sit back, relax, and I'll let this play out. Give a comment below of what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch up with you guys in just a minute. Alright, there it is. I'm going to leave off here. Again, be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more progress of this design. I'm thinking it should take maybe at least one more video, if not two. But who knows? We'll see how crazy I decide to get with this one. So thanks again for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and I will catch you guys next time.